Welcome to day 2 of Kalami Daily. You might be wondering why I'm wearing green. I have green shirt, green shoes. Well, today is St. Patrick's Day, and we're gonna check out how St. Patrick's Day is celebrated in Cebu. But first, let's go to Soho Park because I'm checking out their Saturday Brunch exclusives, and I just see if what's good here. Start our St. Patrick's Day with some mimosas here. So guys, this is what you're gonna get at the Soho Brunch Club exclusive. So you get a mimosa to start off your meal. Then you have some assorted bread, pastries, and croissant with jams, butter, plus coffee, unlimited refills of coffee. Plus, of course, your main breakfast or brunch course, which I picked the Ube Waffle with fried chicken. And there's fruit for dessert, and of course, homemade granola and yogurt. So, wow, for only $9.95, plus you have an amazing DJ playing good music all throughout the brunch. It's unbeatable, man. You're taking someone for a date, a special lady of your life or a special man of your life. Yeah, try it out. Invite them to a brunch at Soho Park every Saturday. It's now time for me to eat my brunch. Awesome, brilliant. The brioche, the sourdough, the croissant. Wow. I don't want to eat my main course anymore, but I have to. I will. Not even halfway done. Instead of passing on the plates, because I'm alone, I'm moving on another chair. This time, I'm gonna have fried chicken and Ube Waffles. Do you think that combo would work? Fried chicken and Ube Waffles? We'll see. Let's try out the chicken first. Delicious, man. With a waffle, Ube waffle. And look at those eggs. Look at those eggs. With the fried chicken and the waffle. It's actually a really good match. Sweet, it's a bit sweet, but you can have the savory of the chicken and the sweet of this one. It's a type of breakfast that can make you happy. And of course, it's nice to start the day happy, right? And I really want you to try this one out when you go to Soho Park. Check out their Ube Waffles with fried chicken. There's even Ube Halaya. This dish also has the liver spread and the liver butter. And it will go well with your Ube Waffle. And of course the fried chicken. So here it's like you're having a split personality. We'll finish off with some fruits. granola, yogurt, and yeah. I'm like a big vegan now, but you have it from the mimosa to the breads to the beans and fruits. I think when you reach the fruit part, you feel guilty about all the carbs, the protein, and the fats that you're eating. But hey, it's brunch. You're meant to enjoy it, and I'm enjoying it a lot. Look at the fruits and grapes, oranges, bananas, apple. Of course, when you're in Cebu, mangoes. And it's presented very beautifully. I don't want to even eat it. All for 995 pesos or $20. Worth it, man. Worth it. Cool it. So it's Saturday morning and I just had one of my best breakfasts ever. So I'm gonna. This is the man responsible for that one. It is Chef Rob of Soho Park. So why are you doing this, man?
Well, we wanted to bring a brunch to Cebu. Brunch across the world, in New York, in London, in the Middle East, is the big social event of the week. Everyone gets together on a Saturday morning, they enjoy a cheeky little glass of bubbly, and get together, plan the rest of their weekend, and just relax, unwind, get their rocks on.
So it's only $995, right?
$9.95.
So it's like $20 and you get
That's for a 3-course brunch, homemade toasts, pastries, jams, butters, and then you choose your main course a la carte. You serve them fresh fruits, yogurts, and you get a glass
mimosa
of bubbly on arrival.
Wow. So that's really a good deal, man. So you haven't been to Soho Park? When can you avail of the brunch?
So brunch starts 11 AM every Saturday.
And they have a DJ there. He's playing good music while you're eating some good brunch. So, what can you recommend there for me?
Well, you had the Ube Waffles, what do you think of that?
Wow, wow, wow. You have to try it, guys. If you love ube, you love chicken. Why not have fried chicken?
Straight out of New York, right? Straight out of the continent.
Yes, but with a Filipino twist.
With a Filipino twist,
yes, yes, an awesome Filipino twist. How about you? What's your favorite?
My favorite is French toast.
Oh.
And I'm starting the show as well.
Yes.
So it's beautiful homemade brioche, which we soak in a cinnamon batter and then pan fry it in foaming butter through the oven, served with fresh fruits and maple butter.
Listening to him makes me hungry again. So invite them, guys. Invite them.
Guys, come down next Saturday, 11 AM, Soho Park. We're in the IT park behind Krispy Kreme, and we look forward to seeing you.
And by the way, those breakfast favorites or brunch favorites that they're offering, it's offered every day, whole day, right?
They're all on menu. 22 hours a day, 6 AM to 4 AM the following day.
So if you can't wait for Saturday morning, come here anytime.
We look forward to seeing you.
I just have an awesome brunch to start my St. Patrick's Day fiesta, and now I'm off to my next destination. Yeah, check it out in part 2 of this day 2 video.